How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another update. Follow me over to Twitter, use the links in the description and pinned comment section of this video update and help me achieve 2.5k followers. In the meantime, we are going to be doing huge discounts on the one-to-one mentorship program. That includes 2 months free in my Discord, as well as my video pre-recorded course that is 5 hours long, so you can fall back onto once you have completed the mentorship. I will be giving away 2 different prizes for us hitting 8k over on YouTube, so make sure you're following me, under 150 subs away, and we're giving away 30 minutes of one-to-one mentorship and an ebook, and again discounts at the moment on the mentorship while we wait for those targets to get met. So come over to the Twitter using the links down below, or head straight to the website for more information. And we actually posted another thing today, very important. The Discord community has been experiencing exceptional growth over the past 2 months, with some cryptos, of course, as you can see over here, anywhere between 26% plus to 328% in a matter of 2 months exactly. Absolutely incredible. Use the links down below to, of course, join the Discord community, where you can expect 1 to 2 hours of mentorship every single week. Thank you for your patience. Here we are with another Injective update. Unfortunately, over the past couple of weeks, Abby was ill with some severe flu. It wasn't COVID. And unfortunately, after my dog, Ivy, the pug, had her vaccine, she had seizures. So we had to rush to emergency vets. And yeah, just been taking some time out while she's been recovering. But yeah, she's all good now. Don't worry. I see my dogs like children because I am still young. But yeah, let's dive into this Injective update. I am here permanently again. We will get these daily videos out during the week for you guys. And yes, since the last update, we have lost a key level of support, which is the golden pocket here. And in order to get bullish continuation, we actually need to pump from this level of support, this blue marked out area, which was a previous resistance and support confirmed on multiple occasions around the 33 to 34, let's just call it 35 level of support. Now, we did come down beneath that area. Now, in this very scenario, we have the 55 just slightly underneath the level of support. So you then also consider that as a key level to of course, bring a reaction from. Unfortunately, with that red candle, you're meant to then see a move that attacks the 20 moving average, which we did not actually find. However, what is positive about this candle is we create a wick really low beneath the 55. So in any case, we do lose the 55 now. It doesn't actually matter. So we see this red candle, and a lot of you are thinking we had a bearish candlestick here followed by another bearish candlestick pattern called a bearish engulfing. So you then assume we continue lower. That's actually in fact wrong, because you need to go ahead and lose this low. And as long as we are now holding this new level of support, in fact, this is considered a higher low, even though we have a shooting star and this build up of 2 candles called a bearish engulfing. If this wick was any higher and this body closed beneath the wick, then fair enough, we are breaking down. But as the wick is down here, and even though we had 2 candlestick patterns right in this area, which are signaling for bearish continuation, a loss of the low to continue lower, you need to see the body closing underneath this wick. And without that being the case, this is considered actually a higher low. If we're looking at the wicks, this is a low, this is a higher low. And so that is why we're now seeing a bullish engulfing, trying to invalidate this downtrend that we formed with the breakdown yesterday. For further confirmation that we will hit all of these targets, maybe even as low as $20, we need to see a bearish cross. This can of course still happen, but let's talk about the bullish scenario first. Make sure, if you haven't already, to like, subscribe, comment and share. As you saw at the beginning of the video, we are doing a giveaway for 1 ebook and 1 free 30-minute one-to-one mentorship to answer any of your struggles and problems with the charts. So to enter that giveaway, as you saw at the beginning of the video, just head over to Twitter and follow the steps. But you just need to follow me here and there and comment done, essentially. Now, what we need to see for Injective is a move from this location that reclaims the golden pocket, because remember, at the beginning of this update we were saying that the golden pocket must hold, and that's this area, but the lowest point of the golden pocket is the 786 fib. It's not considered the golden pocket, but there's one final layer of defense, which is the 786, and yes, we lost it. But with that candle, remember guys, we created that wick. This is where the bull stepped in, so we need bodies closing beneath $30, and only then are we moving down to the next level of support, which should bring a bounce anyway, because we've got another wick down there. So if we're not losing losing these wicks. We're not getting the continuation to these targets, even though we lost the 55. Now we're attempting to reclaim it. We need to see the daily candle close above this point and attack the 20. So we might not break through the 20 today, but over the next days, it's very important to push through this level and flip it back into support, because remember, if this is our move up we use the fibs on, this is where we're meant to find support for continuation. We, of course, as you can see, deviated from that path. I don't know why this is not deleting. 1 second, guys. My apologies. Don't know why that's not deleting. Here we go. So yeah, so although we lost the golden pocket, you'd then say the reversal waves created were coming down to here. We need final confirmation. So we need to lose that wick, we need to lose this wick, and of course that wick. So there's a lot of support in the way, but equally we need to form that bearish cross. And right now we're trying to invalidate any potential bearish cross, and this is trying to maintain the bullish cross that we have been in for months. And then by doing so, we need to push back through like a slingshot motion, very quick move up. It might not happen today. Over the next coming days, we need to push through. We don't want to see rejections from this area. I will update you guys on Twitter throughout the weekend. If there's any changes, I'm back on Monday for the next video update, so don't worry. But we need to see an EMA repel, essentially, where they fail to cross over, price climbs back above, but then must confirm not only the moving averages, but the golden pocket support for the break and continuation higher, so we can go ahead and finally meet our technical target that we've been in for months, guys. In fact, if you've been following my channel for long enough, we've been analyzing Injective since all the way back over here on the YouTube channel, but we have been involved in Injective in the Discord community since sub $5. So it's all around this area, and of course along the way up since the chat has been investing. So if you want to get these gems early, they're all in the Discord community. You have access to my personal portfolio that I update constantly. And if you saw in the beginning of this video, since November, there's some cryptos that, yeah, they've only pumped 30%, but some of our cryptos have pumped 150%, 250%, even 300+% in the matter of 2 months since November. And Injective is one of those cryptos. Look at this move since the breakout over here, pretty much at the end of October / the beginning of November. We're currently up 275%. So yes, since the beginning of the year we have done nothing, but just remember where we were a few months ago, guys. We are extremely bullish, and even if we do start to correct even lower and meet these 20 in the 20s, sub 30, between 20 and $30 targets, even if we do come down to that, use that as a long-term opportunity. Even if you buy today expecting the continuation up and we eventually go low, it doesn't actually matter in the long-term grand scheme of things, because Bitcoin is nowhere near its all-time high, and we know Bitcoin will break it and of course meet this final bull market target, whether it's 100k, 125k, around that area. Could even be more, could even be less, but that's where I'm personally targeting. And then are we anywhere near those targets at the moment? No. And so even if Injective does come down more aggressively, that would be a great long-term investment. But for now, as all of those levels that I showed you on the daily time frame are still support, we just need to reclaim the moving averages in the golden pocket for the next target, $50. But the target out of this inverse head and shoulders on the 5-day time frame is calling for just underneath $100, around the $90 mark, and we are expecting a break through this area. But it might be that because it's the technical target, we might stall off and start to correct from that point. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think we are going to be able to achieve this $90 target over the coming months, or do you think this is destined for lower for now, and that we will get there eventually? Like, subscribe, comment and share to bump up the algorithm so we can hit 8k. And remember, while we are waiting to hit 8k subscribers, all my mentorship options are now heavily discounted. Use the link tree in the description and pinned comment section below. Click the mentorship link and it will bring you over to the course and mentorship that are currently discounted from $150 to $99. If you want to try out just 1 hour, it was $80, now down to $55. Discord channel members all get further discounts on top of the current discounts. So barring this mentorship option, all the other ones, whether it's 3, 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, you will get a free course and 2 months free in my Discord on top of your hours of one-to-one mentorship. So use the links down below, take action on these discounts while they do last, as we wait for 8k and 2.5k followers over on Twitter. And yeah, hopefully one of you can win a free ebook and a free 30-minute mentorship plan. Cheers everyone.